Good morning, all my dear friends. I am Old Iron from the GLKU team. Today, we received the Leica C Unimog U535 climbing car. Next, let's start today's unboxing video. We can see that the packaging box is very attractive. Let's open the locks on the box. On the side of the packaging box, we can see the accessories. Let's take a general look at the contents. For specific details, you can contact us to learn more. We can examine the overall details of the Unimog U535. Aluminum alloy CNC machined cab frame. The default version is RT from the factory, but it does not come with a remote control. You can order it separately. Since we are currently filming, we are using the Fleisky PL18 remote controller for operation. Before filming, we have already paired the receiver with the remote control. We can see that the internal details are exceptional. We can see that this is the sound module's knob for controlling the volume. It also features a power switch button. Next, we will connect the battery. The placement of the battery is quite interesting. We can see this area. There is a front buckle. Next, we will lift up the cockpit. Okay, the cockpit has been successfully lifted. Here, we can clearly see that due to the limit stops, the cockpit will not fall down once it is lifted. The battery is stored in this hidden battery compartment. Next, let's open it. Here, you can see a latch. You just need to swing it. This way, you can easily open the battery compartment. Here, you can see an XT60 connector. The dimensions of the battery compartment are 105 x 19.5 x 46 centimeters. The battery needs to be purchased separately. It uses a 2S lithium battery, which can be bought according to the dimensions of the battery compartment. Next, we will reinstall the cover of the battery compartment. Okay, it is now fully installed. Next, lower the cockpit back into place. Align the cockpit with the latch to secure it in place. Let's tidy up. Now, let's turn on the power switch. Now, let's proceed with the operational demonstration. Next, we will turn on the lighting system, which uses the Lesu light and sound integrated module kit. We can see that there are 3 modes for the lights: the driving lights, low beam, and high beam. When we steer left or right, you can see that the turn signals have a linkage effect. The steering wheel also has a linkage effect that responds to left and right movements. The details are very rich. Both the seats and the steering wheel are adjustable. Let's start by adjusting the seat. There is a small button underneath the seat. Press it gently. This way, the seat can move forward and backward. Both sides of the seat can be adjusted manually, and the operation is the same. Next is the steering wheel, which can move up and down. Of course, it also has a special feature. where the steering wheel can move left and right. Let's see how it works. After opening the right side door, there is a removable small component under the central console. Once you take it out, you can adjust the steering wheel to the left or right. Since it is very small, be careful when removing it. There are latches on both sides. Release the latches to remove it. There are latches on both sides. Release the latches to remove it. Once removed, it becomes clearer that it is secured by two latches. As long as we release the latches, we can remove it. Here, we can see the brake pedal. Using a tool, we can lift it, which allows us to move the steering wheel to a different position. When we hear a clear click sound, it means the steering wheel is securely fixed in place. Now, let's reinstall the central console panel. Since it's small, be careful during installation. We will now remove the protective padding from the stainless steel simulated exhaust. The exhaust pipe does not come with a smoke system from the factory. It needs to be purchased and installed separately. The three-way cargo bed is made of aluminum alloy. The cargo bed can be completely removed. Next, we will demonstrate. We will release the latch. Now, the side panels of the three-way cargo bed can all be opened. Of course, this is just a small part. The side panels of the three-way cargo bed can all be completely removed. From this angle, we can see clearly that we just need to push it to remove the side panels. The rear tailgate can also be removed. Simply release the latch to take it out. We have removed the panels from all three directions, and you can also see that this area can be further disassembled. Now, let's remove the base. Next, we will open the latch in this area. When we disassemble all the buckles, the entire loading bucket can be taken out smoothly. We can clearly see more of its detailed parts. Next, we will explore them one by one. This is a simulated 3-speed transmission, designed based on the logic of a real car's transmission. The transmission features a fully helical gear design, offering advantages such as high reduction ratio, quiet operation, and smooth shifting. This is a metal simulated fuel tank, and the overall details are excellent. Alright, next, let's take a look at its suspension system. The entire suspension system including the mounting method, is perfectly replicated to match the real vehicle. Okay, of course, we can also observe the structure of its underside. What is used is a simulated axle. The axle is also designed based on the real car, and simulates the door axle. The axle housing is all made of aluminum alloy, and processed by CNC. We can also see that the craftsmanship of the drive shafts is excellent. The vehicle is equipped with a 3-speed transmission. You can switch between different gears according to the actual road conditions. In addition to the 3-speed transmission, it also features a differential lock system. Additionally, the vehicle's sides are equipped with protective plates that can be manually opened. We can see a small push latch in this area. Just gently lift it upwards to open it smoothly. Next, the details at the rear of the vehicle are highly realistic and closely mimic the structure of a real car. Of course, you can also add a tow hitch, which can be ordered separately. This area is a simulated radiator decoration. Simply remove the 2 screws to open it manually. After removing the screws, let's see what's inside. Alright, we can now see that the sound system speaker is placed inside. Next, we will demonstrate how the 3-speed transmission performs. Currently, it is in the 1st gear. Currently, it is in the 2nd gear. Currently, it is in the 3rd gear. That concludes today's unboxing video of the Unimog U535. That's all for today. See you in the next unboxing episode. Bye bye.